Stress, syllabary stress. Word stress, variation of word stress. A. Understanding syllabary stress. Syllabary stress refers to the emphasis placed on certain syllables within words. Sembiring and Ginting, 26. In English, every word with more than one syllable has a specific patterns of stressed, strong, and unstressed, weak syllables. Understanding and applying syllable stress correctly is crucial for clear communication and effective pronunciation. It not only helps in speaking fluently but also in understanding spoken English. A stress patterns can influence the meaning and rhythm of words. Syllable stress plays a significant role in the English language because it affects the way words are pronounced, understood, and differentiated from one another. For non-native speakers, mastering syllable stress is an important step towards achieving a more natural and intelligible accent. 1. What is word stress? Word stress is the extra force or emphasis placed on one syllable in a word. In stressed syllable, the vowel sound is longer, louder, and pronounced at slightly higher pitch than in the other syllables. The stressed syllable carries the beat of the word and helps distinguish it from other syllables. For example, in the word desert, noun meaning a dry region, the first syllable is stressed desert. In the word desert, verb meaning to abandon, the stressed shift to the second syllable, desert. By emphasizing different syllables, the meaning of the word changes, illustrating how crucial word stressing is for clear communication. Number 2. Why word stress is important. Clarity and understanding. Correct word stress helps listeners understand the intended meaning of a word. Misplacing stress can lead to confusion or misinterpretation. For example, stressing the wrong syllable in words like conduct or object can change the meaning from a noun to a verb. Rhythm and natural speech. Proper word stress contributes to the natural rhythm of spoken English. Native speakers use stress to highlight important information within a sentence, making speech more dynamic and easier to follow. Intelligibility. Incorrect stress patterns can make speech sound unnatural and difficult to understand. Non-native speakers who misplace word stress may be misunderstood, even if their grammar and vocabulary are correct. Number 3. Word stress patterns in English. Number 3. Word stress patterns in English. Although English word stress can seem unpredictable, there are some common patterns that learners can follow to develop their pronunciation skills. Two-syllable word. For most two-syllable nouns and adjectives, the star is typically placed on the first syllable. Syllable stress is a fundamental aspect of English pronunciation that affects how words are spoken and understood. It plays a critical role in distinguishing between words with similar spellings, conveying meaning, and ensuring clarity in speech. By understanding and practicing the correct stress patterns in English, learners can improve their pronunciation, listening comprehension, and overall communication skills. Mastering syllabary stress helps speakers sound more natural and enhance their ability to engage in conversation with confidence. B. Understanding word stress. Word stress refers to the emphasis placed on one syllable within a word, making it stand out compared to the others. Aulia 2018. In English, word stress is essential for clear communication, rhythm, and meaning. It affects how words are understood and can even change the meaning of a word depending on which syllable is stressed. Learning to recognize and apply the correct word stress patterns is critical for non-native speakers to achieve accurate pronunciation and improve their overall communication skills. 1. Factor influencing word stress variation. Several factors can influence word stress patterns in English. These include word length. The number of syllables in word can affect where the stress falls. Longer words often have more complex stress patterns compared to shorter words. Word function. Stress can shift depending on whether a word is used as a noun, verb, adjective, or another part of speech. This is common in English, where words with identical spellings can have different meaning depending on their stress placement. Affixes and suffixes. Words that contain prefix and suffix may follow specific stress patterns, with the addition of certain affixes causing the stress to shift from its base form. Loan words. Words borrowed from other languages often retain their original stress patterns, which may differ from typical English stress rules. However, over time, these words might adopt more standard English stress patterns. C. Variation in word stress in English. Word stress in English can vary based on several factors, including word type, syllable structure, and even dialect or accent. While many English words follow regular stress patterns, some exhibit variation that can challenge both native and non-native speakers. Understanding this variation is essential for mastering communication. Stress in loan words and French influence. English borrow a significant number of words from other languages, and these loan words often retain the original stress patterns from their source language, leading to further variation in word stress. In some cases, loanwords may eventually conform to more typical English stress patterns, while in others, they maintain their origin pronunciation. This diversity adds to the complexity of English word stress but also reflects the richness of the language. Dialectal variation in word stress. Word stress can also vary depending on regional dialects or accent. British English and American English, for example, sometimes stress the same word differently. For instance, in British English, the word advertisement is stressed on the second syllable. In American English, it's often stressed on the first syllable. Such difference may not significantly affect comprehension between speakers of different dialects, but they contribute to the diversity of English communication around the world. The impact of word stress on comprehension. Word stress plays a vital role in the clarity and comprehension of spoken English. Misplacing stress in word can lead to misunderstanding or confusion, especially in words that change meaning based on stress patterns. For non-native speakers, mastering word stress is key to sounding more natural and improving their intelligibility in conversation. Understanding the common patterns and variation in word stress allow learners to adapt to different contexts and dialects more effectively. It also helps them better understand the rhythm and flow of English speech, which is often driven by stressed syllables. Strategies for measuring word stress variation. To improve their understanding of word stress variation, learners can use the following strategies. Practice with commonly stressed words. Familiarize yourself with common English words that have shifting stressed patterns, especially nouns and verbs with the same spelling. Listen to native speakers. Listening to a variety of native speakers from different English speaking